Yeah, I just thought I'd do a quick video showing you how to find the Telegram program and app that you can start using for your crypto trader or Icenter bots. It is this is the symbol. It's a blue circle with like a little aeroplane in the middle. It's basically a messaging app, a bit like Facebook Messenger, and you can download it onto any platform. So this is the website, telegram.org, and as you can see, it's got downloads for Android, iPhone, iPad, and for the Windows phone. And then down here we have the desktop versions. So you can use it on your phone or on a laptop or a desktop. You will need a phone number to be able to verify the app. Most people use it on their phone, but you can use it on your desktop. I have both. I have it both on my laptop and my phone. It's very easy to use and very easy to download. You just click on the button for the download. The other place you could get it if you're on your phone is to go into the App Store or the Google Play Store, and you should be able to find it there and install it onto your phone. Once you've downloaded it, you'll see that you've got like a messaging interface, much like other messengers, and you can type a message in here and it'll go to the other person. Once the other person's seen it, you'll see that there'll be a double tick. And here I've got some contacts and some bots and the group. So it's pretty straightforward. I'll put the link to Telegram in the description below, and also the links to the various bots that I'm using at the moment as well. So you'll be able to check them out.